Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by locating your 10-digit consumer number on the meter or on a previous paper bill. Open your electricity board website or install the official mobile app to begin. Sign in with your registered mobile number or email and enter the 10-digit consumer number when prompted. Navigate to the billing section and select the latest statement to view charges. Note the 8-digit bill number and billing period for records and future reference. Keep the meter serial visible for verification if needed. Open the detailed bill and read each line carefully to understand charges. Look for units consumed listed in kWh and the total payable amount in your local currency. Confirm the meter reading, the previous balance, any adjustments, and applicable taxes included. Identify the due date and the late fee percentage or fixed penalty that applies after that date. Check for subsidies, rebates, or concessions shown as line items, reducing the payable total. Save or download the PDF for your records and future disputes. Use the pay option on the website or the mobile app to settle the bill quickly. Choose debit, credit, net banking, UPI, or e-wallet and confirm payment to get a digital receipt. Save the transaction reference and the bill PDF after successful payment for your records. If amounts or readings look incorrect, call customer care and provide your 10-digit consumer number and 8-digit bill number. File an online complaint and request a meter recheck, adjustment, or formal bill correction as needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.